Once upon a time, in a small village nestled deep within a mystical forest, there stood a tree unlike any other. This tree, known as the Whispering Willow, possessed magical powers that allowed it to connect with the world in extraordinary ways. The Whispering Willow had the most enchanting leaves, shimmering with a kaleidoscope of colors. It could see the world through the eyes of the animals that lived in the forest. Squirrels would scamper up its branches and chirp stories of distant lands. Birds perched upon its boughs, describing the breathtaking vistas they had witnessed during their migrations. One sunny morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, the tree saw something unusual. It watched as a group of villagers gathered around a mysterious, ancient-looking map. They spoke in hushed tones, and the tree sensed their curiosity and excitement. The Whispering Willow had the keenest sense of hearing. Its leaves could catch even the faintest of whispers carried on the wind. It listened to the laughter of children playing by its roots, and the secrets shared by young lovers who sought shelter in its shade. One moonlit night, the tree overheard a traveler recounting a tale of a hidden treasure deep within the forest. Its heart-shaped leaves quivered with anticipation as it absorbed every word. The tree knew it had to help these villagers on their quest. The bark of the Whispering Willow was smooth as silk, and it could feel the vibrations of footsteps approaching from afar. One day, a young girl with a heart full of dreams came to visit the tree. Her name was Elara, and she was determined to find the treasure the traveler had spoken of. Elara gently placed her hand on the tree's trunk, and the Whispering Willow felt her determination. It sensed her hopes and dreams, and decided to aid her on her journey. The tree had a sense of smell that could rival the most skilled tracker. It could detect the subtlest scents in the air. One misty morning, it caught the scent of wildflowers blooming nearby and the earthy aroma of mushrooms sprouting under its roots. The tree also sensed the fragrance of the treasure that lay hidden in the forest. It wafted through the air, a mixture of ancient scrolls, golden coins, and the musty scent of time. The Whispering Willow's most extraordinary sense was its ability to taste the emotions of those who came to visit. It could discern if someone was kind, honest, or brave just by the way they spoke and their aura. It had a particular fondness for the sweetness of a pure heart. Elara, with her unwavering determination and sincerity, had the sweetest taste of all. The tree knew she was the one destined to find the hidden treasure. Guided by the senses of the magical Whispering Willow, Elara embarked on her quest. She followed the map, listened to the advice of the forest's creatures, touched the ancient stones that marked the way, inhaled the fragrances of the forest, and trusted her heart's desires. In the end, Elara did find the treasure, but it wasn't the gold and jewels that mattered most. It was the journey, the friends she made along the way, and the wisdom she gained from the enchanted tree that enriched her life. And so, the magical Whispering Willow continued to connect with the world, sense by sense, weaving its enchantment into the lives of those who ventured into the mystical forest, reminding them that the greatest treasures could be found within themselves.